Hello, friends. There is a famous saying, it doesn't matter until it really matters. What does it mean? It means the underlying message of this quote is that we should not be indifferent, we should not ignore the important things until it is too late, and don't delay it till the critical moment arrives. It's better to be awake, better to be aware, know all the facts, make the right choices before any matter becomes critical and the critical moment arrives. I once saw an advertisement from an insurance company making the best use of this quote. They were issuing vehicle insurance. The ad said, "It does not matter with whom you insure your vehicle until it really matters." The last part of the phrase they said with a picture of a crashed car, and the message became very clear. Is this not true about our own life? Are we not ignoring the facts? Are we not postponing them? All religions of the world say that we will stand before our Creator to give the accounts of our actions in this world. Yet, our attitude is like this: it doesn't matter. We don't know whether God exists or God doesn't exist, or who is God, where is God, how He will recreate us after our death, and so on. This attitude is very serious, is problematic. A wise person will make all the efforts to know the truth. Quran also warns every human to know the facts, to know the true nature of this world, to know the God. And Quran has given us various means of knowing God. We have discussed quite a few in our last videos. We will discuss some more verses today. Welcome to Quran for Humanity channel. Here we discuss various complex questions of the life in light of Quran and Islam. All praises belongs to Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad, his family and his companions. Since our last few videos, we are discussing knowing God through his signs, and we will continue this discussion today. We as human beings are gifted with an extraordinary gift, our intelligence. This gift has enabled us to unlock the secrets of nature and to make incredible inventions, which once seems totally impossible or very hard even to imagine in the first place. With our perseverance and our creativity, we have crafted so many incredible innovations and technological progress. Same way we can use our intelligence, our perseverance, our creativity to find out the presence of God. God has showered his signs all over the nature around us, in the universe and within us. But in the rush of our daily life, we ignore them. We never pay attention to them. All we need to do is to open our eyes, observe those signs, think about them, and we can realize the presence of God. We have discussed few signs in our last few videos. We will discuss some more signs today. The verses which we are going to study today are from chapter number 36, verse numbers 33 to 36. And here are the verses. And a sign for them is the dead earth, We have brought it to life and brought forth from it grain, and from it they ate. And we placed there in gardens of palm trees and grapevines, and caused to birth forth therefrom some springs, that they may eat of his fruits. And their hands have not produced it, so will they not be grateful? Exalted is he who created all pears, from what the earth grows, and from themselves, and from that which they do not know. So let's understand these verses in detail. And a sign for them is the dead earth. We have brought it to life and brought forth from it grain, and from it they eat. And we placed therein gardens of palm trees and grapevines, and caused to burst forth therefrom some springs, that they may eat of his fruits. And their hands have not produced it, so will they not be grateful? Everything around us speak about the presence of God, giving evidence of the presence of God. We just need to pay attention, open our hearts, and think over it. Look at the dead land. After summer, after the harvest, it was lying dead, inert, without any motion. But God sends rain and it comes alive. The dry land, the barren land, starts producing grass, start producing vegetation, plants, fruits, flowers. It comes alive. And from these fruits and from these grains we eat. We get grapevines, we get dates, and we get multitude of fruits. Springs of water gush forth. Do we ever think, are these the work of our hands? The mere sight of fruits, of vegetations, of flowers, the grains, should open our heart, should open our mind. Who did all these things? How this happened? Is this the work of our hand? So do we not owe the gratitude to our God who created all these things for us? We need to be grateful to Him. The next verse says, we see around us everything in pairs, male and female, day and night, light and darkness, pain and pleasure. Everything around us has pairs. So what is the significance of it? Who made it this way? We need to pay attention. Quran says, exalted is he who created all pairs, from what the earth grows, and from themselves, and from that which they do not know. This verse praises the God, exalt the God, who gave us the flourishing gardens and the fruits. And He made everything in pairs, from our own selves, male and female, from animals, from birds, and from other so many species which only God knows. Same thing, there are pairs, male and female, in the plants, in the fruits, in the grains. Now it has been established that the smallest atom, it also has the negative and positive charges. There is pair in that also. So there are pairs in everything around us which we know, and there are many things which only God knows, but there are pairs. And this is one of the sign of presence of God. If we open our hearts, if we think, we will come to recognize the presence of God. With this, we have come to the end of today's discussion. We will bring you more talks about the Quran, about the Islam, and about the subject we are discussing today. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe now and press the bell sign so that you get notification for all our new videos. If you have some questions about the Islam, please do mention those questions in the comments below and we will try to answer them as much as possible. If you want to read the Quran in your own language, you can download it from our website quranforhumanity.org. We have got translations of the Quran in more than 100 languages. May peace and guidance be upon entire humanity.